Hello and welcome to this very special recording today with one of our sponsors of India sourcing trip, SellerSprite. And we've got Yalchin from SellerSprite who's going to be talking to us about their very special tool. Welcome, Yalchin. How are you doing today?
Thank you, guys. First of all, I'm very appreciate your help and the invitation and being your sponsor for your trip, India sourcing trip. It's a great honor for me to attend on your meeting and as well as a podcast. Thank you.
Amazing. Mark, how are you doing?
Really well. Yep. Looking forward to the trip. I'm just looking at the date and it's very close. I think we're down
Yes,
to
the
just over
countdown
8
has
weeks.
begun, hasn't it?
Very much so. Very quickly.
Yeah.
Exactly. October is not too far. So, everybody watching, in case you haven't signed up for the trip, go ahead and do that. Go to indiasourcingtrip.com, get your tickets. Seats are filling up fast. And, just as a reminder, dates are October 10th to the 17th. Now, India Sourcing Trip is a learning, sourcing, and cultural experience, in India where we help you learn all about sourcing from India. We show you products that you can source, you can meet thousands of suppliers, and you can also experience India's culture. So this is an all-inclusive trip where we include everything. Once you step out of the Delhi airport, everything is covered for you, including airport transfers, transportation, hotel, food, trade shows, conference, our very famous or infamous Bollywood night that is included as well. And there's just so much learning, networking, sourcing. It is described as many as the trip of a lifetime. So do consider joining us. And if you are in the sourcing business, if you have your own private label brand, it is not a matter of if you should diversify your sourcing, it's a matter of when or how fast you can do that. Because in today's world, I mean, things are changing so fast, it is imperative to diversify your sourcing. If you are sourcing from China, you cannot depend on just one sourcing market. So, Mark, what is your favorite part of the trip? What are you most looking forward
Oh,
to?
I think just meeting all new people. I think it's really fun just getting a new group and forming those relationships and having, like, we have a great social time and a business time. And it's interesting watching people get to the fair and find new products and get all excited. So, yeah, lots of things.
Awesome, fantastic. All right, so get more information at indiasourcingtrip.com, and we all look forward to seeing you in India. So let's get on with today's show. And Yalchin, first of all, can you introduce yourself? Tell us about yourself, and how did you end up with Seller Sprite?
All right. I've been Amazon seller since 2018, and I started Amazon in Shenzhen back to 2018. Then we stayed, and you guys, I know you from Shenzhen, China, back to 2018 or 19, and you did great stuff even during COVID time. It was great, and we locked down at home and we didn't have something to do as just watching YouTube channel, attending meeting, working online. It was totally different. And then I started watching your podcast, and at the same time, I'm also Amazon seller. Recently, we started working SellerSprite. SellerSprite is based on China, and we have more than 2 million visitors monthly, and we are doing a lot of stuff related, for example, related products, market analysis, AI review analysis. Of course, we have some tools like traditional tools, product research, keyword research. Besides, we have several innovative tools. I think they are great, and it could bring you a lot of opportunity and save your tremendous time, really, because uh, review analysis takes a lot of time. I know from Amazon, but you can do, for example, review analysis by using SellerSprite in 10 minutes or something like that. That's great. We are going to discuss about it later.
Okay, so let's get into the presentation. I'm going to share your screen, and let's get started.
All right, guys. SellerSprite, what we are doing, as I said, we are based on China. And we have more than 2 million visitors, and our company established in 2016. That time I don't think there were many Amazon analyzing softwares, and we were they primarily dominate just the Chinese marketplace, and nowadays we are extending to Western marketplace. So we have several tools. Every Amazon seller, especially Amazon FBA sellers, they now like a reverse ASIN, product research tool, keyword mining, traffic conversion, etc., etc. Everyone, I think, is familiar with this kind of tools. But beside, we have some tools which are unique, and it could save you a lot of time. It could bring you a lot of opportunity. For example, market analysis, ads insight, related products, AI review analysis, etc., etc. I would like to show you a few minutes about it. Even we can analyze real time data or real time products. For example, this is baby blanket toy. I could search it on Amazon, and when we search on Amazon, we are gonna see a bunch of products here, and you see there are many products. We can run Chrome extension of SellerSprite from here, or just you can click it here, and we are gonna see the products and their sales, their revenue, etc., etc. You see, I would like to remove sponsored products, and then we left over 48 products just. Now I would like to analyze and make overview of marketplace and how the proportion of sales going. Just click here and analyze now. We are going to create report for you and open on new web app of SellerSprite. Here we come. For example, biased of 48 products, we see here there are 36 brands and 22 sellers, etc. Let's go down. And the first tool, we can see the keywords volume, several important keywords volume here. And here we are gonna see market sales. We could say that since 2023, there is slightly increasing of total revenue of our marketplace, like sales and revenue increasing. You see, this orange color bar graphs indicate sales, and this green color indicates revenue. And nowadays the revenue is almost 2.5 million for these products. Now let's go down. Now we are gonna see a listing concentration for sales, and you see biased of 48 products, and you see proportion of listing. For example, this guy totally dominate the market, as you see. For example, their revenue is 28%, and the monthly sales are 67,000, more than 67,000. And when you bring your mouse over, you are gonna see different listing and their sale and their metrics as well. Let's go down. Here we are gonna see brand concentration for sales and revenue. If you switch like revenue, we are gonna see revenue, and you can see like top 50% of the product. Or if you would like to just see top 10%, you can switch from here. And this orange color indicates the product launch before 6 months, and if there is not, if there is the purple color, it indicates the product launch in last 6 months. But as we see, there is not from here. I hope if I switch to all the brands, there is actually not. Just let's go down. Here we are gonna see seller concentration for sales and revenue. If you bring mouse over and just click it, we are gonna see these products, and all the products belong to one seller. And when you switch like this, you are gonna see each product's sales and revenue as well. And from here, we see overall marketplace sales. It's this guy sale is almost 500,000, like almost 500,000. So sales proportion is 17%, 97% out of 100%. When we go down, we are gonna see ASIN, monthly sales for FBA, FBM, or Amazon vendor, or Amazon uh, itself, Amazon native brands like Amazon Basic. Here we are gonna see ratings for FBA, FBM, etc. Here we are gonna see the sellers. 28 sellers are from China, and the 20 sellers are from United States. Here we are gonna see launch time. Majority of the products, or 26 products, launched 3 years or ago. And just for example, these two products launched in last 6 months, or two products launched in last 3 months. So next is launch time for year. You can see from here, even there is a one brand and one seller launched in back to 2015. It's almost 8 years, more than 8 years. Here we are gonna see sales for review. For example, majority of the sales are generated by the seller who have more than 500 reviews. So it gives a little bit information that it's important to have more than 500 reviews because 91% of sales are generated who have more than 500 reviews. This is also an important fact. And here we're gonna see again the ratings. Majority of the sellers' ratings are above 4.5. So it means quality is fine for majority of the products. And this is also price, the price comparison. The 17 products price are between 10 and 15. And you can see product price range here. This is a brief overview about the marketplace. If you would like to see specifically any product and you wanted to analyze any product, we have a very cool feature for that. I would like to show you. It's Review Insight. You can basically open any product like this, any of them, and you can analyze a review in just a few minutes. For example, just click here, generate AI analysis report. And what we are doing here is that take all these reviews from this ASIN. It has more than 5,600 reviews. We put it into AI tool. So the AI analyze all the reviews, and it gives us feedback and what the customer like, what they don't like, and what could be improved, or what could be better, etc., etc. It takes 1 or 2 minutes. I think I opened one Review Insight here. I could show you. We don't need to wait it. Let me find it. Yeah, here. Firstly, when we open, we are gonna see product, and are all variations of this particular ASIN. Here we are gonna see a Review Insight. From here, we understand 20% of reviewers are male and 80% are female. And here is the basic question or question-related words they used. Next is usage scenario. For example, you can click here and see baby shower gift and the baby or pet, something related they used as a phrase, or AI understood after analyzing this 10,000 more than 10,000 of reviews, and it gives you, oh, this product is related with baby shower gift because on the review someone mentioned about it. And for example, best quality mentioned 4%, or something related mentioned about best quality. Then you can analyze it, and you can see the customer expectations from here. The reason percentage, like different design, 15% mentioned something related different design, and what they said, home wide feel and better stitching of this blanket with different design. Or you can see another analyze from here. So again, you can see pros, what the reviewers like, and what they soft, good quality, cute design, good size, warm. And also at the same time, we analyze negative reviews, and we see what does they say, like a large size, someone didn't like size, they said it's large. Someone complained about the quality. They said it's a worse quality, it's decent quality, something like that. You can analyze it by yourself, and they are pretty much related with reviews. And again, you can see cons, and you can see here purchase motivation. What to motivate the people to purchase our product, this product, this particular ASIN rather than other product. And the first thing we see a good value. Reviewers mention something related value. Maybe they thought this product is a reasonable price after analyzing market and other seller. Excellent quality mentions some 17%. So you need to pay attention. By doing so, you can analyze and find out everything related reviews. Here we're gonna see rating ratio, and here we are gonna see rating by stars, and given last 3 months, 6 months, or 3 years, or all time. Here we are gonna see reviews with picture or video, or just simple reviews or wine reviews. If you want just see it, just unclick all of them, just see wine reviews. Video with reviews, reviews with video, you can see from here. Here we are gonna see a rating by variation, each variation's review. For example, this variation got majority of the reviews, and 42.9% reviews and the ratings are from this particular variation in the last 3 months. You can switch to 3 years, or you can switch to all times to see all variations, reviews and the ratings here. And at the same time, you can see from here as well. And to see, for example, I would like to see this variation, blue polar bear variation, and given this product got one review in 2020 December, and this product got one ratings in 2021 August, 3 reviews, and you can see all the reviews given time as well. And here we're gonna see the review map, what keywords have been used, like blanket is very soft, used 7 times or 0.5%, or soft and cute mentioned 4 times, it equals 0.3%. And here you can sort the reviews, like reviews with 3 star, given like picture, and like descending. Just filter it and click. We are gonna see those reviews. And for example, if you would like to see review for specifically any variations, you can click here and sort it. Hopefully there is, but not. Let's remove it and filter now. This it seems this particular variation doesn't have any reviews. Just click here and the filter. So we got one reviews with picture. This guy has this review. It's good, and they mentioned something here, and it's given March 14, 2020. This is Review Insight. You can analyze all your competitors and see Review Insight very immediately. For example, we analyzed in 10 minutes. Maybe there are 10,000 reviews or something. Yeah, more than 10,000 reviews there are, and we analyze it in just a few minutes. But of course, you need to dive into and analyze and more and more. This is brief overview of the Review Insight. Of course, you need to pay much more attention than we just analyze in 10 minutes.
Yeah, that
All
is
right.
definitely very time saving,
Yeah,
analyzing so many
AI is,
reviews. Yeah,
AI
for
is
sure.
very helpful nowadays to save
Amazing.
our time.
Yeah. So are you also using AI to generate listings and content and identify keywords?
Yes, exactly. We have, I could even share with you. We have a tool to analyze and create the listing for you. What you
Right.
need, just I could show you in a few minutes. Let's search another keyword, and like a bamboo pillow, for example, and we are gonna see all those products here. And I suppose, or also you can choose which product is similar to your product, and I could generate the listing for your product. Just any of them, Margaret, you would like to choose the
Do
product
the
I
one
could
with black. Do the one with the black.
like this one. Yeah,
Yeah.
just we need to copy ASIN. Just copy from here, and they come to SellerSprite, and we have the tools listing builder here. Click it. We are gonna open here and create new listing. So basically what we are doing, as Amazon seller now, we need to have keywords. You need to analyze and add some keywords on your data set or database. Then we are gonna create a listing based of that keywords. We are gonna use those keywords as well as this particular ASIN. So firstly, I generated some keyword and I saved it in our software. We have a great software to analyze and add keywords into a blank. For example, this is my keyword list. I created bamboo pillow keyword set here. Just I would like to add those keywords here. Add here. As you see, all those keywords come. And I would like to see also search volume. Just switch search volume. This dark red color indicates the bigger search volume. For example, bed pillow queen size set of two. This keyword has more than 19,000 search volume monthly. And you can see other keywords volume in front like this. And then I would like to put this ASIN, which I grabbed from here, come back and put the ASIN here, the import. We are gonna bring all the data set of this particular ASIN, and we are going to analyze and take its bullet points, title, description, etc. And we are going to generate the new listing for you. Here we see product characterizes. You can put like bamboo pillow set of two, maybe king size, etc. You can put any keywords you would like, and target audience. You need to, of course, the Amazon sellers or any product you would like to sell. You have to know your target audience. It's maybe number one thing to know it. For example, I would like to put here stomach slippers, and maybe a right slipper as well. And you can put any keyword you would like to avoid, and any for example, here I could put brand name like India store trip. I just put brand name here. Do you have trademark for that?
Not yet. We've applied for it.
Okay, so then I could use it, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
I guess.
if someone has trademark, it's not good to it's, I think, not possible to use it.
Right.
And here we have keywords. Here we fill some brand name, keywords, target audience, etc. And just generate with AI. Just click it here.
And it's done.
So this is first the Amazon sellers now the biggest search volume keyword would be title, and it would be good. It would be helpful to rank better, quickly, and keep that phrase as phrase match as it is, like bed pillow queen size set of two like this. And try to use that keyword as it is, not changing, not adding any phrase words. And you can create try another variation, try another as you like. You can the copy keyword from here. PM pillow, like put here for like a left slipper. And this is basically will be fine. And here we are gonna see bullet point, and this is bullet point of this guy. When we click here, we are gonna create new bullet point from here. And if you would like to change something, add a new, for example, we generated one bullet point here. If you would like to add any other keywords from left side, just you can put here and generate it. Sometimes the people think it's totally everything live for AI. No, AI is very good for general information, but I think it's my opinion, we use AI to get general information, then break it down and use also our mind. It's not just totally live for AI and just use it everything with AI. For now, I suggest you can add the keywords and any specific features your pillow have. You can add here like 2 years extended warranty, like 2 years. It's alpha, not. Whatever, you can feel it, and you can. It's combination of AI and the human knowledge. It's not just simpler for AI. One tips I would like to share with you. Nowadays, what I am doing for product description, because I copy all those keyword phrases from here, just copy, and I put it as a description. Nowadays everyone has A plus content. All these products have A plus content. For example, open it, and we are gonna see this A plus content here. Just let's open another. And this product description will not be shown. So therefore, the keywords we just added here will not be shown to customers. So no problem. I copy all these keywords, add here. It's very good for ranking. It's very good to rank choose, because all those keywords have exactly phrase match here, and it will not be shown to customers. So it's very helpful to ranking better. And the last is search terms. You can put here misspelling keywords or some Spanish keywords or some, even maybe it's black hat. You can put your competitor's brand name, etc., etc. You can analyze and put it to search term as well. This is brief view about creating listing by using AI, and I think this tool is free. As far as I know, this tool is free, and all your subscribers and can use it for free.
So this is free. I mean, we don't have to pay for a SellerSprite subscription to access this AI listing generator. Is that correct?
As far as I know, yeah, this is free tool for generating listing.
Cool.
Yeah,
that is cool. So tell us something, Yelchin, like how does SellerSprite compare to some of the other similar tools out there? Because that's something that people are going to wonder. There are so many different options, but what sets SellerSprite apart from everybody else?
well, as we discussed, for example, this tool is available from SellerSprite, and I have been also using other tools, and they are pretty similar, and there are many similar features. But as a SellerSprite, we have this ads insight, or as we discussed, review analysis, or market research. The first what I show is market research, and it makes the picture of overall market and what's the percentage of each seller. Maybe one seller dominate 90% of the market, and the rest of 50 seller just get 10%. There is 10% distribution among 50 sellers. Then that market is totally bad. You cannot go that the market. This is the first tool I discussed, and this is available from SellerSprite. Review analysis is also available from SellerSprite. I don't think any other software has this feature like review analysis by doing AI, or you can reverse engineering by using Ads Insight. You can see Ads Insight of all your competitors. Just find any of your competitors. Like just I would like to this guy. This guy has a lot of reviews. They should have many campaigns. Copy ASIN, come to SellerSprite, Ads Insight, and you just put ASIN here. We are gonna bring all the campaigns of this guy. For example, this guy has 4 campaigns, and this guy has 58 ad groups. All these campaigns and ad groups are here. Horizontally, what we see, these are search terms. For example, I would like to see search terms of this guy in March, from March 18 to March 25. And just I click it, and it takes me to new page, new window, and I'm gonna see these keywords. This particular campaign, like this campaign, in this time frame, had 6 search terms, and those search terms are here, and the ASIN you see from here, and you are gonna see sponsor rank of this particular ASIN, right? For example, its sponsor was 17, then changed to 19, then 29, something like that. You are gonna see organic rank here. You are gonna see this pillows keyword conversion, search volume, and the Amazon brand analytics rank. And from here, you are gonna see weekly search volume. You can see click concentration, or you can see PPC bits from here, or you can even see the trends of historical data like this. And this is keyword volume and the sales, etc., etc. So I think this Ads Insight also doesn't available from other softwares. As I said, Ads Insight, review analysis, market research, and the related products. These features of SellerSprite don't available from other software. So I would recommend just try out. Maybe it would be helpful for you to save your time and to give you another perspective. And also, we have a pretty good discount for your audience. I think I put here.
Yeah.
Monthly price is 68 USD, and you can use. I put your abbreviation of your like India sourcing networks, and you can use the affiliate code. You are gonna get 20% off each sales you would like. For example, if you want to purchase monthly, and you are gonna get 20% off. If you would like to purchase yearly, again, you are gonna get 20% off from 790. It's pretty big, almost like 150 USD discount. You can check out, and you can use India Sourcing Network 20, this abbreviation, and you are gonna get big discount. It's more than 20, I think 20%. It's like 25%.
Very cool. So the code is ISN20, and sellersprite.com is where you need to go and check out the tool.
Yes.
So brilliant. Well, thank you so much, Yalchin, for your time today. And we really appreciate it. I'm sure our audience will check out SellerSprite and find it useful. So thank you so much for your time. And we also appreciate SellerSprite for being a sponsor for India sourcing trip. So hopefully you will join us in India as well.
Hopefully, yeah, because when I was a student, I had many classmates from India. We had very good relationship, great, and they invited me to eat very frequently. I know it's great. And
Awesome,
also,
awesome.
I'm planning to visit India in the autumn when you have the show.
Yes,
Most probably, I will be joining you too.
great. We look forward to seeing you. All right. Thank you so much for your time again, and goodbye.
Thank you
Thanks a lot.
again. Thank you for hosting me. See you next time.
Bye.